talk. If shoes could talk.
Yeah. He thinks everybody thinks just because he has big feet it relates to, you know, penis size.
Oh, here comes another lady thinking she could just squeeze her way into me. You're not gonna make it, lady!
You've stepped in that same spot 14 times. The dog poop is not going to move.
When he mentioned fun guy, I thought we were going to a party. Turns out he just has athlete's foot.
Oh, God, she's leaving me on again when he comes over. What is that?
Thank you. Next, wrong things to say during a presidential debate. Wrong things to say during a presidential debate.
Good evening. I'm Mitt Romney.
I really hate that big bird.
Yes, my fellow Americans. Stop. Stop it.
Are you really gonna vote for the black guy again?
Thank you. If the world was a poorly dubbed foreign action movie. If the world, isn't it already? If the world was a poorly dubbed foreign action movie. Go.
But I have Human for eggs.
Yes, you do.
I have herpes.
Thank you. And finally, let's end it with bad pickup lines.
I have herpes.
I'm Mitt Romney.
You want to come see my improv show?
You won't hate my big bird.
You remind me of my mom.
You're not really going to pick the black guy again, are you?